stories. No human had ever attempted construction on this scale, with machines making nearly every decision. Yet today, what appears almost effortless is actually coordinated by thousands of artificial intelligence actions every single second.
But one unexpected challenge threatened to stop every autonomous machine before the first foundation could even be completed.
This revolutionary project aims to prove that autonomous robotics can safely construct tomorrow's largest cities faster than traditional crews ever imagined. Instead of replacing people entirely, intelligent machines perform the world's most dangerous and physically demanding construction tasks with incredible consistency. Every robot constantly shares live information, allowing the entire construction site to react instantly whenever conditions unexpectedly change.
Hidden beneath the ground, sensors continuously measure soil movement long before instability becomes visible to the human eye.
The robots immediately adjusted excavation patterns, preventing a dangerous collapse that traditional equipment might never have detected in time.
Artificial intelligence predicted millions of possible ground behaviors before each machine completed its next precise movement. That prediction system eventually became the invisible foundation supporting every future decision made across the enormous project. Before construction could accelerate, engineers created a living digital twin capable of predicting every structural movement months before reality unfolded. Every autonomous robot practiced its assignment thousands of times inside virtual simulations before touching a single piece of steel or concrete. Advanced artificial intelligence continuously compared simulated outcomes against live construction data, learning and improving every minute without stopping.
Laser scanners measured every surface with millimeter precision, allowing robots to eliminate small mistakes before they became expensive failures.
Instead of reacting after problems appeared, the intelligent system prevented most construction errors before workers even noticed unusual conditions.
The greatest breakthrough was not faster machines, but thousands of intelligent decisions happening together every single second across the site. As excavation expanded deeper underground, hidden geological surprises forced the artificial intelligence to rethink every construction strategy. The robots instantly recalculated safer excavation paths, protecting equipment while keeping the ambitious construction schedule completely intact.
Beneath the surface, thousands of underground sensors quietly protected billions of dollars in equipment and future infrastructure. Only after every hidden risk had been predicted did the world's largest autonomous construction phase finally begin.
Thousands of autonomous excavators began removing millions of cubic meters of earth with astonishing precision, transforming empty land into the foundation. Every bucket of soil was measured, analyzed, and transported automatically, ensuring maximum efficiency without unnecessary machine movement. Deep foundation drilling soon reached layers of ancient bedrock that demanded extraordinary engineering accuracy beyond traditional construction methods. Robotic piling machines installed massive foundation piles with millimeter precision, creating the invisible backbone supporting every future structure.
Each completed foundation was scanned instantly before robotic concrete systems prepared the next construction phase without interruption.
Thousands of tons of reinforced steel arrived exactly when artificial intelligence predicted they would be needed across the expanding project. Robotic arms assembled enormous reinforcement cages faster than entire construction crews once could, while maintaining extraordinary structural accuracy. Concrete pouring became a fully synchronized operation, where autonomous pumps and robotic finishers worked together without stopping for a single moment.
Sensors hidden inside fresh concrete monitored temperature and strength continuously, allowing artificial intelligence to optimize every curing process.
With the foundations complete, the first colossal steel structures finally began rising above the ground, revealing the project's breathtaking true scale. Steel columns weighing hundreds of tons rose into position with astonishing precision as autonomous cranes synchronized every movement without human intervention. Robotic welding systems worked continuously around the clock, producing flawless structural connections impossible to maintain through manual construction alone. Artificial intelligence monitored every structural connection, instantly identifying microscopic imperfections before they could threaten long-term safety.
Entire building sections arrived fully assembled, allowing robotic cranes to complete hours of work within only a few extraordinary minutes.
As construction accelerated beyond expectations, engineers quietly invited viewers to witness the future unfolding before their own eyes. Behind every visible machine, invisible artificial intelligence continuously optimized millions of construction decisions impossible for humans to calculate alone. Drone swarms inspected every corner of the growing megastructure, discovering hidden issues before workers ever approached dangerous locations. Robotic bricklaying systems transformed empty floors into completed living spaces with incredible speed and remarkable construction accuracy. Every completed floor immediately became an active workspace, where another generation of autonomous robots continued building higher toward the skyline. What had once been an empty construction site was rapidly becoming one of the world's most advanced autonomous engineering achievements.
The next revolution arrived quietly as humanoid construction robots stepped onto the site, performing complex tasks once requiring years of human experience.
Unlike traditional industrial robots, these intelligent machines adapted instantly to unpredictable environments without stopping the construction process. Artificial intelligence allowed every robot to recognize tools, materials, workers, and hazards with extraordinary speed and precision. Thousands of cameras created a living visual network, allowing machines to understand the construction site almost like human eyesight. For the first time, robots began teaching newly deployed machines through shared experience instead of traditional programming alone. If this vision of autonomous construction inspires you, imagine what the next generation of intelligent engineering will accomplish. Autonomous drones soon began transporting construction materials through the air, eliminating delays caused by crowded ground logistics. Self-driving construction vehicles navigated independently through constantly changing pathways, without collisions or unnecessary delays. Every machine continuously learned from billions of previous decisions, becoming more efficient with every completed construction task. Yet the greatest engineering challenge was still ahead, as the world's tallest autonomous structure prepared for its most dangerous construction phase. Powerful winds hundreds of meters above the ground forced artificial intelligence to calculate every lift with extraordinary precision before each movement began. Humanoid robots balanced confidently along narrow steel beams, completing dangerous installations where East Asian male human workers once faced life-threatening risks. Every completed connection strengthened the structure, while thousands of intelligent sensors immediately verified its long-term structural integrity. Autonomous glass installation systems transformed the exposed steel skeleton into a sleek, energy-efficient, intelligent building. Millions of smart sensors became the building's nervous system, constantly monitoring safety, temperature, vibration, and structural performance. Artificial intelligence immediately detected microscopic structural changes long before they became visible to engineers or maintenance crews. Construction robots seamlessly shifted from building the structure to inspecting, repairing, and maintaining every critical system automatically. Every completed task expanded the robot's collective knowledge, making future construction projects even faster and remarkably more intelligent. The skyscraper finally reached its full height, standing as a breathtaking symbol of autonomous engineering and artificial intelligence. But completing the structure was only the beginning, because the world's smartest building still had one final test remaining. The world's smartest skyscraper entered its final evaluation as thousands of autonomous systems began operating together without direct human control. Every elevator predicted passenger demand before anyone pressed a button, reducing waiting times to only a few remarkable seconds. Invisible artificial intelligence continuously balanced energy consumption, keeping the massive building comfortable. When unexpected equipment failures appeared, Autonomous maintenance robots responded instantly before occupants noticed anything unusual.
The intelligent facade adjusted itself throughout the day, maximizing natural light while minimizing heat entering the enormous structure.
Emergency response systems predicted potential hazards before alarms activated, creating an entirely new standard for intelligent building safety. Outside the tower, autonomous delivery robots connected seamlessly with surrounding transportation systems across the future smart city.
Construction had ended, but the building continued learning every single day through billions of artificial intelligence observations.
Engineers realized they had not simply completed a skyscraper, but created a living machine capable of improving itself over time.
What began as an ambitious construction experiment had quietly become the blueprint for every intelligent city of the future.
Soon, entire districts embraced autonomous construction, proving intelligent robotics could reshape cities faster than anyone had imagined possible. Entire neighborhoods emerged almost continuously as modular buildings arrived fully assembled and robots completed installation within only a few remarkable hours. Artificial intelligence coordinated thousands of independent construction projects simultaneously, without sacrificing speed, quality, or structural safety. Humanoid robots worked side by side with skilled engineers, combining artificial intelligence with human creativity to solve extraordinary engineering challenges. Autonomous robots rebuilt aging infrastructure with incredible precision while keeping busy transportation networks operating without interruption. High-speed autonomous tunnel boring machines carved through mountains, while artificial intelligence continuously optimized every meter of excavation. Offshore construction robots expanded into the ocean, assembling massive floating platforms despite relentless waves and unpredictable weather conditions. Construction no longer depended on daylight because intelligent robotic systems operated safely throughout every hour of the night. Each completed project became valuable knowledge instantly shared across every autonomous construction robot around the world. Humanity had quietly entered a new construction era, where intelligent machines transformed impossible engineering dreams into everyday reality. The success of autonomous construction inspired governments worldwide to redesign future infrastructure around intelligent robotic collaboration. Construction waste dropped dramatically as artificial intelligence optimized every material, reducing environmental impact while improving engineering efficiency. Entire communities benefited from safer workplaces, where intelligent robots replaced humans during the most dangerous construction operations. Artificial intelligence also preserved historic landmarks by performing delicate restoration impossible through conventional construction equipment.
Remote regions once considered impossible to develop suddenly became accessible through fully autonomous construction technology.
Future disaster recovery could begin within hours as robotic construction fleets automatically rebuilt damaged infrastructure after catastrophic events. Scientists now believe these intelligent construction systems could eventually build permanent research stations on the Moon and Mars. The same technologies may someday construct thriving cities beyond Earth, expanding human civilization farther than ever before imagined.
What once sounded like science fiction has already begun transforming the future of engineering, one autonomous machine at a time.
But perhaps the greatest construction project in history has not even started yet, and the next generation of robots may build it.
Standing before these extraordinary achievements, one truth became impossible to ignore, because construction itself had evolved forever.
The greatest innovation was never the robots themselves, but humanity's willingness to imagine a completely different way of building. The next generation will inherit cities capable of repairing, protecting, and improving themselves long after construction has officially ended. Perhaps the future of construction is no longer about building structures, but creating intelligent systems that continuously build a better future.
Somewhere today, another autonomous robot has already begun constructing the next engineering breakthrough the world has yet to discover.
What extraordinary structure do you think intelligent robots will build next? Beneath our oceans, across deserts, or among the stars?
If you enjoyed exploring the future of autonomous construction, subscribe for more groundbreaking engineering documentaries from around the world.
Because the next documentary will reveal another engineering miracle that is already reshaping the future of our civilization.